How to access free trials on OnlyFans. While OnlyFans itself doesn't offer a platform-wide free trial, many creators provide free trials or have free subscription options. To explore these opportunities, follow these steps. Step 1. Search for free trial offers. Creator promotions. Many creators offer free trials or discounted rates to attract new subscribers. These promotions are often time-sensitive and may be limited to a specific number of subscribers. Third-party listings. Websites like OnlyFans free trials compile lists of creators currently offering free trials. Browse these sites to find active promotions. Step 2. Follow OnlyFans official channels. Social media. Follow OnlyFans on platforms like Twitter and Instagram. They occasionally highlight creators offering free trials or promotions. Blog posts. Check the OnlyFans blog for articles featuring free accounts to follow. For example, they periodically publish lists such as free OnlyFans accounts to follow in 2025. Step 3. Subscribe to free accounts. Explore free accounts. Some creators offer free subscriptions with the option to purchase exclusive content separately. Look for creators labeled as free on their profiles. Utilize free trials. When you find a creator offering a free trial, click on the provided link or button to subscribe. Be mindful of the trial duration and any terms associated with it. Step 4. Manage your subscriptions. Auto-renewal. Free trials may automatically convert to paid subscriptions after the trial period. To prevent unexpected charges, manage your subscription settings. Log into your OnlyFans account. Navigate to the creator's profile you're subscribed to. Click on the Auto-Renew toggle to disable it before the trial ends. Cancellation. If you decide not to continue with a subscription, ensure you cancel before the trial period concludes to avoid charges. Step 5. Stay informed. Regular updates. Creators frequently update their promotional offers. Regularly check their profiles and official OnlyFans channels for the latest free trial opportunities. By following these steps, you can explore and enjoy content from various creators on OnlyFans without an immediate financial commitment.